guys, running Kimono here. So today's video we're going to talk about the 5 off of 20 for Dollar General this week. If you might have this digital coupon still on your store card, use it. It's valid right up until Saturday the 29th. And if you've already used it on the 30th, a new one should be appearing. Load it right away on that Sunday morning. And stacking it with the 5 off of 25 on Saturday, there's some very significant savings to be had and found. Essentially, to get this 5 off of 20 to work, you need $20 of gain merchandise. And then stacking it with the Saturday, I mean, there's some very significant savings. Some ground rules, again, you have to buy $20 of gain merchandise for this to work. Use the Dollar General app to scan the barcodes in store to make sure you're grabbing the right corresponding items that'll work with digital coupons along with the 5 off of 20. Really pay attention when you're in the store. Bring a pad of paper and pen to make sure that your mathematics is tip-top and A+. And on Saturday, August the 29th, as said earlier, that's when you're going to have the biggest savings because this often does stack with the 5 off of 25. Any issues or problems that you might have at checkout, you always have the opportunity to void your transactions. And if the prices are completely different in your area, just know that I'm in rural Michigan, so sometimes the prices are completely different than if you're in a bigger city or a different part of the US. Now, if you look at the top of the screen, this is the front page of my YouTube page. It says Home, Videos, Playlist, Community. If you tap on that community page, it's a lot like an Instagram feed. And if you look right there, I put little notes on Saturdays, what is and is not working. I won't record a specific video for a haul on this, but just to show you, I do show my receipts and all of the info. And then if I'm finding something that's not working or working, I'll let you guys know. It's just a faster way than like producing a video. And just to show you, the proof is right here in the receipt. So some of these deals, there's some significant savings, especially with the 5 off of 20. And the last time I saw that was maybe like 6 months ago. So it's always a gift whenever we get this coupon. So maybe look through your digitals, and if you have it, you might want to do one of these deals. And linked at the very end, I have the tutorial on how to use the Dollar General app to scan items to make sure that the digitals are attaching, or like a 5 off of 20. It's a very easy tutorial to watch. And if you want to get serious at the Dollar General, this is a way to cut out like 50% of the guesswork. This is a really great video. Please check it out, especially if you're new to this or you're just not really sure. I walk you through how to open up the app, how to scan the barcodes, and how this works. So over on the community tab, I tossed this up and I also put it on my Instagram, and so many of you just agreed that, the first day of the clearance event that happened last week, we were hitting multiple stores, and towards Sunday, it's like you drive by the store and you're ready for a nap. I thought this was rather humorous, and some of the stuff people wrote on Instagram was just like a scream. And then a lot of you here, were sharing, the first day I hit 20 stores, I was like a commando of Dollar General clearance hunting. And then the last day, it's like you couldn't even get out of your car. So it was pretty funny. So anyhow, guys, I just thought if you want to pause this and just read what I wrote, it's kind of like tongue in cheek, but yet very funny. Okay guys, so the first deal, this is just any day of the week if you want to do this. It doesn't have to be Saturday. We're only utilizing this coupon, which is the 5 off of 20. We're also going to be grabbing one detergent product and one fabric softener product for $6.95. So it is a much larger container than the $3.95 smaller counterpart. And we're also going to be grabbing 4 Gain dish soaps priced at $2 a pop. These are the coupons that we need loaded. The $2 off for the detergent, the $2 off for the fabric enhancer, and the $1.50 off of 2 for the dish soap. So these 3, along with the 5 off of 20, you need loaded to your store card. Okay guys, so just jogging through the math here again, 1 Gain fabric softener product for $6.95, 1 Gain detergent for $6.95, 4 Gain dish soaps at $2 a pop, that's $8 right there. Adding all of that up together, you have a total of $21.90. So immediately after the cashier scans your last dish soap, at the speed of light, you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 20 Dollar General Gain coupon is coming off, along with $5.50 that include a $2 for the fabric, a $2 for the detergent, and a $1.50 for the Gain dish soap. You're left with paying $11.40 out of pocket for the 6 items. This does not include your tax, and it basically shakes out each item to $1.90 each. Not bad. Now let's just say you want to do this deal on Saturday, but your basket is short to use both the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. So let's throw in one of these fancy dancy Bic razors for $6. This wonderful $4 coupon showed up on Sunday, so you have to load it, and it's with one of those $6 razors. And then we're also going to have this guy loaded for Saturday. It's the 5 off of 25. Okay, so we're going to look at that last deal, throw in the razors, and look at the math again. So 1 Gain fabric softener for $6.95, 1 Gain detergent for $6.95, 4 Gain dish soaps for $8 on the nose, 1 Bic razor for $6. The new subtotal is $27.90. After the last razor is scanned, you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 20 Dollar General Gain coupons coming off, along with the 5 off of 25 Saturday Dollar General coupon is coming off, along with $9.50 of digitals. There's an extra $4 for that Bic razor. You're left with paying $8.40 out of pocket for the 7 items. This does not include your tax, and it basically shakes out each item to $1.20 each. This is a really great basket if you can wait until Saturday. Okay guys, the next deal I have for you again is 100% digital, and this is for Saturday. So you're going to need your 5 off of 20 loaded to your store card, and then also you're going to need the Saturday coupon, which is the 5 off of 25. Alternatively, if you want to do this before Saturday, it's an extra $5, just to note that. So what we're going to do for this, guys, is grab 3 fabric enhancer products and 1 detergent product. So altogether, we're going to have 4 of these items priced at $6.95. So they are the much larger containers. It's a bigger value. These are the digitals that you need loaded. That include the $2 off for the detergent and the $2 off for the fabric softener. And I cannot stress it enough that when you're in the store, use that Dollar General app to scan to make sure that you're grabbing the right products, because some of these, like, scents don't attach to digital coupons, and ooh, what a nightmare that is. And if you might have been so lucky, there's this wonderful 3 off of 2 that showed up, I believe, about a week ago. And if you loaded it, you can get on this deal as well. And the larger fabric products are working with this, including the 200 count dryer sheets. So, just grab 2 products that are attaching with this digital coupon. Okay guys, so looking at the math again, this is a Saturday deal only for the biggest savings. Grab 3 Gain fabric products at $6.95 a pop. That's $20.85. And then 1 Gain detergent for $6.95. Adding all of this up together, that's a subtotal of $27.80. So after your last product is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 Saturday, 5 off of 20 Gain coupon is coming off, along with the $7 of digital manufacturers, the $2 and the 3 off of 2, that's $7. So you're left with paying $10.80 out of pocket for the 4, essentially shaking out each item to $2.70 a piece. Okay guys, so the final deal that we have is with a paper coupon. Oh my gosh. You're going to need the Saturday coupon, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card, along with this guy, which is the 5 off of 20. So make sure you have both of those loaded for this deal. And the first item that we're going to grab is a 51 count of the Gain Flings, priced at $13.50. This is a massive container of Flings. So lovely looking too. It's impressive. We're going to need this $3 coupon from the Retail Me Not of August the 9th, and it's a $3 off one of those big containers. Okay, and then the final 2 items that we're grabbing, some things are predictable. One of the detergents for $6.95 and one of the fabric softeners for $6.95. And we have $2 digitals to accompany both. So let's not forget to scan to make sure we're grabbing the right stuff. That's, the coupons are attaching to the products. And this is what the $2 coupons look like. So please make sure you have both of those loaded to your store card. What an amazing gift those $2 coupons are. They're so much better than the dollar ones. Okay, so let's take a quick peek at the math. One of the Gain Flings 51 count is $13.50. One of the Gain detergents is $6.95. One of the fabric softeners is $6.95. Adding all of that up together, you have a total of $27.40. So you hand over that $3 coupon after your last item is scanned. The cashier scans it. After she scans your coupon, he or she scans your coupon, you punch in your phone number, 5 off of 25, 5 off of 20 is coming off, along with the $4 of digitals, the $2 I just showed you. You're left with paying $10.40 out of pocket for the 3 items, basically shaking it out to $3.46 per product. And that's probably enough detergent and products like that till Christmas time. So how wonderful is this basket? And I'm definitely going to be doing a couple of these because I think I have like 1 or 2 of those 5 off of 20s left. So I'm going to definitely try and do one of these deals. So if you want to wait for me or wait to read stuff in the community tab, I'll definitely be sharing what is and is not working. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.